Hello Workday users! Today, we're going to guide you through customizing EIBs, or Enterprise Interface Builders, to make your Workday experience more efficient and tailored to your needs. EIBs are powerful tools for bulk data import and export. So, why customize EIBs? Good question. EIBs are important tools for bulk data. However, their versatility can lead to overwhelming spreadsheets with numerous columns, many of which you might not use. By customizing your EIBs, you reduce visual noise and focus only on columns that matter, making your EIBs cleaner and more efficient. Let's talk security considerations. Not everyone will have access to customize EIBs. Typically, integration administrators manage these tasks. However, you can provide access to others, ensuring they belong to the correct security groups for optimal control. All right, let's get customizing. Step 1. Identify unused columns. The first step is to identify which columns are necessary for your business processes. Collaborate with team members who regularly handle customer invoices or similar tasks to determine which fields are essential and which are not. Step 2. Accessing the template model. To customize your EIB, start by accessing the View Integration System task within Workday. Step 3. View the template model on the next screen to identify and hide any unnecessary columns. Hover over the magnifying glass icon in the header and choose Hide. This will hide all related columns within the template model area at once. Step 4. Fine-tuning column visibility. You can also hide individual columns within a template model area if they're not required. Step 5. Ensure you keep all required fields visible. These are typically marked with an asterisk in your EIB and are crucial for your data import to function correctly. Step 6. Ensure that work tags are clearly defined. You can create each work tag as a separate column in your EIB. Hover over Template Model column, then select Maintain Additional Columns to add specific work tags as individual columns. Ensure you give each column a label name and an appropriate reference ID type. Now you know how to customize EIBs in Workday to fit your business needs. By streamlining unnecessary fields, you enhance clarity and efficiency, allowing your team to focus on critical data. For more tips and expert advice on maximizing your Workday experience, subscribe to Syssero's channel or visit our website. Thanks for watching.